just asking about the pressure testing. We don't have any pressure testing in the project.
No. Here, if you see this one,
yeah, come to the last part of that point. From pressure testing and equipment preparation. So in general, even if it is that there is no process while commissioning phase, pressure testings are there now. So they are mentioning that water is used for pressure testing normally. So no pressure testing in that scope.
Yeah, so no process equipment and no pressure test.
Yeah.
No hydropressure test.
Yeah.
Emergency response plan is there, so we are happy.
Yeah.
We verify that appropriate interface procedure and processes are in place. Yes, interface. You have PP already, so we are okay. And there is no major concern, no major interface, but you have regular meeting, and we are okay. Yeah. Review the status of training and development. Yes, you are giving training to the people as per the training matrix, and we are okay. There is no major concern. So, I mean, what is the status of construction now? Almost 70-80% complete?
No.
So where are we now?
Approximately 50%, I think.
50%, okay.
50,
yeah. So there is no PSSR that remove the PSSR word here.
No PSSR.
So it is not applicable, to be honest. No. So can you please help me here? Review the project plan for commissioning, PHSER, PSSR. You have PSSR? No, right?
No.
Chairman, you can write down commissioning and pre-commissioning activities are not applicable.
The scope.
As the project is only not applicable as referred to 1.1.
Yeah. Same. Yeah, correct.
Remove the second part if you want. Remove the second part instead of engineering both is related to engineering. Take it out or close out everything. Take it out everything.
This one?
Yeah, also take it out. No, okay. Just first two chapter is okay. Limited only work. Okay.
Even exclusion zone not applicable. So we have the same thing. This is repeated. So we will have the same thing. Okay. Good. So going for the seventh objective, which is the last one, review the progress on site HSE MS, HSE procedures, development, up-to-date HSE compliances. There are two important questions. Review project progress on developing, updating the site HSE MS.